Silky beat.
The Oneplus Ace 3 Pro is a recently launched flagship phone with impressive features. It comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a large 6100 mAh Glacier battery, 100 watts super-fast charging, the best cooling system, a ceramic back, and much more. Today, I will share the unboxing and first impressions of the Oneplus Ace 3 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing of the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. The box isn't environment-friendly this time either. Inside the box, you get the white-colored phone, a 100-watt power adapter, a data cable, and a white protective case. The phone looks much better in this case compared to a transparent one. Now, let's talk about the design of the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. The phone is available in white, and you also have the option of gray and green colors. This one is the white version. The back of the phone has a ceramic texture, which makes the first look quite attractive. The white color gives it a premium feel. This ceramic back is similar to what was used in Oppo's flagship phone, the Find X5 Pro. The ceramic back panel has an eye-catching design when viewed from the side. You can see fine lines running from top to bottom, and you can feel these embossed lines when you touch them, which also improves the phone's grip. The textured lines on the back help hide fingerprints, which could be visible because of the glossy ceramic material. The phone is a bit heavy due to its large 6.78-inch screen, ceramic back panel, and oversized 6100 mAh battery. It also has flagship-level hardware. Despite this, the phone feels lighter than expected when held in one hand. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro weighs 225 grams, with the ceramic back panel being 13 grams heavier than a glass back panel. Considering the specs, the weight is acceptable. The phone is 8.9 millimeters thick and features a hyperboloid screen, giving it a good in-hand feel without feeling too heavy. If I had to choose between a glass back and a ceramic back, I would definitely choose the ceramic back. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro features a flagship display from BOE with a 1.5K resolution OLED screen that supports LTPO technology. The colors are accurate and the viewing angles are excellent. In terms of brightness, the screen offers over 800 nits of maximum manual brightness and up to 750 nits of maximum global brightness. Overall, the screen performance is at a flagship level. The screen also features the company's own low-frequency eye care technology, ensuring good eye protection. The main focus of the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is performance, delivering extremely powerful capabilities. It includes a top-level heat dissipation system and high-level optimization for maximum performance. According to the company's official advertising, the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is the first Android phone where you can play the heavy game Genshin Impact at 120 FPS. Previously, only some Apple iPhones could play Genshin Impact at 120 FPS, but even there, the frame rate wasn't stable. On the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro, playing Genshin Impact at 60 FPS provides a stable frame rate and next-level performance. Let's test if the performance on this phone really lives up to the marketing hype. In the game at default high-quality resolution, 2113 by 1787. After playing for 30 minutes in the high-load Sumeru City, the average frame rate reaches up to 61.7 FPS. The graph shows stable frame rate with almost a straight line, and power consumption goes up to 4.546 watts. In a 25-degree room temperature, the phone reaches only up to 40 degrees Celsius, which is impressive during heavy gaming sessions. This indicates excellent heat dissipation performance. The game assistance offers 3 modes. First, fluency priority, performance priority. Second, image quality priority. Turning on fluency priority mode starts Genshin Impact directly in native 120 FPS mode. In this fluency performance mode, the graphic latency remains the same as in normal mode. This provides a very smooth performance, and after a 30-minute test, the average frame rate reaches up to 119 FPS in this heavy game, which is a first for an Android phone. In this mode, image quality is excellent, and the resolution is also at its highest. However, power consumption is higher, reaching up to 6.894 watts in this high-performance mode. But the good thing is that the phone's temperature only slightly increases to around 40.6 degrees Celsius, showing its good heat dissipation capacity. Now, let's test the second mode, which is the image quality mode. In this mode, the game resolution increases to 1080 by 23375 pixels, so you'll see slightly better and clearer pixels in the game. However, the number of frames is limited to up to 45 frames per second. In this custom mode, you can individually customize both the resolution and the number of frames. Let's set the highest resolution and frame rate and see the game performance. The average frame rate reaches up to 103, but there are some frame drops visible in the performance graph, likely due to the game running at 900 by 1979 resolution and 120 FPS. Without a cooling clip, the game runs smoothly between 90 to 120 FPS for about 20 minutes, showing smooth graphics overall. Talking about the battery of the Oneplus Ace 3 Pro, it boasts a huge 6100 mAh capacity with a silicon carbon anode glacier battery. Here are the battery test results. After keeping the phone on standby for 8 hours, it only consumes 1% of the battery. Playing Genshin Impact at 60 FPS for 30 minutes consumes 10% of the battery, while playing at 120 FPS consumes 17% of the battery in the same duration. After using the phone moderately to heavily for a day, more than 50% of the battery remains, easily lasting 2 days. So, battery life isn't a concern with the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. It supports 100-watt charging, and it takes about 37 minutes to charge the battery from 0 to 100%. Finally, let's talk about the camera setup on the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro, which includes a rear-facing triple camera setup. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro features a primary 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with optical image stabilization, a secondary 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a third 2-megapixel macro camera. I'll be uploading a detailed camera review soon, so stay connected with our channel for that. The phone is also optimized with a smooth operating system, providing a seamless performance. As for the price, the base variant starts at 3,199 Chinese yuan in China, which translates to approximately £350 in the UK or around $440 in the USA. In conclusion, the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro offers top-notch performance, superb display quality, outstanding battery life, and a good design. However, the camera performance is average. What do you think about the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro? Which feature did you like the most, and at what price should it be launched in the UK or USA? Let me know in the comments section. Also, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. As I'm signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
Silky beat.